So we're getting to know, according to the latest army statement, there has been report on the reports of a violent clash that surfaced at the Sikkim border. And I'm just going to quote from that statement. We have received several queries regarding a face-off between the Indian Army and the Chinese PLA at the Sikkim sector. It is clarified that there was a minor face-off at the Nakula area of North Sikkim on the 20th of January 2021, and the same was resolved by the local commanders as per established protocols, unquote. Going across to Shivani for a quick update. So Shivani, the incidents that came to light, if there was a brawl that had occurred in Nakula area in Sikkim borders with China there, and for now the matter has now been resolved. How does the situation now can be updated on the same, with the Corps Commander level talks that also happened between the commanders yesterday, including a MEA representative?
Amita, the whole issue remains to be quite sensitive as India and China have remained in a standoff since last 8 months. And we know that the dialogue is still open. And yesterday also there was a long marathon meeting between the top commanders of both the countries at Moldo, and it continued for 16 hours. And as we are learning that still there's not a major breakthrough on the issue, but yes, both the armies have been in status quo since the sixth round had happened on 21st of September, and they had decided that no more troops will move towards the LAC. And this statement, which has come in from the army regarding reports that had surfaced claiming that there was a brawl between the Indian Army soldiers and the PLA soldiers, has been clarified by the army, as the army is now stating that it was a minor standoff and it was resolved at the local level. So, Amita, we can say while the dialogues are on, both the countries remain on the LAC, and they are trying to resolve the issue through peaceful dialogue. So incidents which have been reported quite...
Stay on with us, Shivani. Major Gaurav Arya is with us on the phone line. Major Gaurav Arya, a statement that has been released from the army side that yes, there was an issue that was reported, but it was a minor one that has been resolved in that very region itself. It's been restrained. For now, what situation does it put us in, even as talks on militarily and also on diplomatic levels that continue with China?
I think China is desperate, and there is a sustained effort from China to horizontally escalate the conflict. Now, horizontal escalation is a technical word which may not fit in here because no weapons are being fired. However, the expansion of the scope of conflict, which was earlier, only in the East Ladakh area, has now moved to Sikkim, and I don't think we have seen the last here. What India requires, apart from aggressive diplomacy, is also aggressive military action on ground. You cannot be forever reacting to the Chinese. You have to make the Chinese react to you as well. This is what I would like to say.
All right, Major Gaurav Arya, thank you very much, sir, for your opinion.